Alright, language explorers. Let's look at some jokes. ASMR. Did you hear about the two guys that stole a calendar? They each got 6 months. A hen will always leave her house through the proper exits. Yesterday, a clown held the door open for me. It was a nice gesture. Why did the old man fall in the well? Because he couldn't see that well. What's the difference between an African elephant and an Indian elephant? About 5,000 miles. What's the best part of living in Switzerland? I don't know, but the flag is a big plus. Why couldn't the dead car drive into the cluttered garage? Lack of room. Lack of room. Vroom. I wouldn't buy anything with Velcro. It's a total rip-off. Why did the A go to the bathroom and come out as an E? Because he had a vowel movement. A-E-I-O-U, a vowel movement. The sore mummy needed a chiropractor. Under the doctor's advice, the hen is laying off eggs for a few weeks. How cool is that?